transforming your fast-paced event coverage, wildlife expeditions, and on-the-go videography into buttery smooth cinematic sequences without wrestling with traditional multi-section tripods usually means transitioning to an advanced, modular carbon fiber monopod system. The IFOOTAGE Cobra 3 C180F-P+K5S carbon fiber video monopod kit, 71-inch reach, redefines mobile camera support by combining lightning-fast deployment, lightweight structural integrity, and professional fluid head performance. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its patented quick-release collar system paired with an ergonomic foot pedal swiveling base and the upgraded Komodo K5S fluid head. Instead of wasting precious seconds twisting multiple threaded sections or locking down cumbersome tabletop bases manually, this system lets you instantly detach components, adjust heights on the fly, and unlock fluid swiveling angles using a simple press of your foot. Performance and everyday versatility streamline dynamic sports videography, documentary run-and-gun shoots, and tight event spaces. Outfitted with a lightweight yet rigid 4-section carbon fiber construction reaching up to an impressive 71 to 75 inches, the monopod handles heavy camera setups while absorbing high-frequency environmental vibrations. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by an 8 kg/17.64 pounds maximum payload capacity, a detachable low-profile mini tripod base that doubles as a tabletop/macro hi-hat, smooth pan and tilt dampening, and a dual security quick-release plate compatible with standard Manfrotto and DJI ecosystems. Things to consider before you buy pedal-based learning curve. The foot pedal release base allows for rapid tilting and locking adjustments on the fly, but users transitioning from traditional twist knob friction bases will want to practice a few times to master stability on uneven outdoor terrain. Storage and travel length. While remarkably tall when fully extended, its folded length sits around 31 inches, meaning it will strap comfortably to the side of a standard camera backpack rather than fitting transversely inside smaller luggage cases. So, who is this really for? This carbon fiber video monopod kit is an absolute home run for event videographers, solo content creators, travel journalists, and sport shooters who need rapid deployment, exceptional height reach, and true fluid head pans without hauling a heavy traditional tripod. If you are looking for an ultra-stable studio tripod for static long-exposure astrophotography or a tiny pocket monopod for a lightweight action camera, a different class of support gear will better match your project style. Is it worth the money? If you value lightning-fast quick-release collars, a robust 17.64 pounds load capacity, a versatile 3-in-1 modular design, monopod, low-angle mini tripod and trekking pole, vibration-dampening carbon fiber, and a smooth K5S fluid head included right out of the box, it is a premier, time-saving investment for mobile production workflows.